So the resource I found for my lesson is from Scholastic. It's studyjamscholastic.com. And here it's two tabs for math and science. So the students will be working on math, so they can click on it during their centers. In here, for this specific lesson, that they'll be working on place value, so the students will be clicking on place value. In here, they can practice what they've learned so far about place value and test themselves. And the really nice part about this, it has key vocabulary so they can use it. It also has something for expanded notation to see if that also helps and benefits the student as well. In the texting, they'll be able to go through a few questions. Just for example, I'll run through them. Where it gives them various questions about place value. And when they finish, the thing will tell them how correct or how incorrect they were, and they're able to review their answers and get feedback on the ones that they got wrong to better understand what place value is, which I think is very helpful for students.